Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello friends. Today we will learn to build up our story with these words. Let us compile these words of et, en and et family to build a story. Let us see the adventure of this little spoon. Mother is all set to set the table for dinner. Suddenly, the little spoon decided to flip. Mother was upset with the little spoon. Uh-oh, I'm stuck. Ding dong. The doorbell rang. Someone is at the door. Mother went to answer the door. What is there for dinner? Hey, Coco, please help. I am stuck here.
Yellowy, how did you reach there?
Oh, it's a long story. Please help me now.
Stay there. I will call someone to help. Ben! Ben!
What is it?
Oh, I need your help.
I am busy. I'm reading a book. Ben was busy reading a book about a lion in his den.
Coco pleaded. Please, Ben. Yellow is stuck in the red net. We need to help that little spoon.
Kind Ben agreed. Okay, let's rescue Yellow. Meanwhile, two bad men were hiding in the garden. They were talking to each other.
This is the house. We can go inside from the kitchen window. Okay, there I can see the kitchen window. Something is shining in the net. They are very rich. I think that can be a gold coin. Let's go inside.
As they were about to enter, Ben the hen flew towards the cabinet. The hen grabbed the net with her beak and tilted it. The yellow spoon sprang out of the net and was tossed up in the air. Coco jumped to save the spoon. The bad men were spooked and fell from the window. They were trembling with fear and somehow managed to escape. Hearing so much noise, Mother rushed into the kitchen and was met with utter confusion. The only thing she was pleased to see was her yellow spoon. There you are, my little spoon. Thank you, Coco, for finding my lost spoon.
I know, she always gives credit to him.
No, actually, Ben has rescued Yellowy.
Let it be, he will not understand.
How did Ben come out of her pen? Coco, just drop Ben in her pen.
Thank you, Ben. Thank you so much.
You are always welcome, Coco.
But Ben, who were those two men?
Children, let us read the story and hunt for these words. In the story, Mother was all set to set the table for dinner. Suddenly, the little spoon decided to flip. Mother was upset with the little spoon. But luckily, the little spoon landed in the net, which was hanging near the cabinet. Ting tong, the doorbell rang. Mother went to answer the door. Coco, the dog, came sniffing for food. The little spoon requested him to help him out of the net. He called Ben the hen from the pen to help the spoon out of the net. Ben the hen was busy reading a book about a lion in his den. Coco the dog pleaded with the hen, and the kind hen agreed to help the spoon. Meanwhile, two bad men were hiding in the garden and saw something shining in the red net. As they tried to enter the house through the kitchen window, the big fat hen flew towards the cabinet. Next moment, the hen grabbed the net with her beak and the spoon was tossed up in the air. Coco jumped to save the spoon. The men were spooked and fell from the kitchen window. Hearing so much noise, Mother rushed into the kitchen and was met with utter confusion. Her red net was torn. Coco the pet dog had the spoon, and Ben the hen was not in her pen. Well done, children. Now, can you tell me which word from the ed, n and ed family is missing from the story? To know the answer, please read the story again.
To have more fun like this, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye.
Bye children. See you in our next episode.